I see a tool that has Open in TextAid written on it. It has an icon that is a sheet of paper with a plus sign. What does this tool do? This is a great tool to use for web research. If you find some information that you may want to use in your report, article, paper, etc., then highlight the material and click on the Open in TextAid tool on the Bookmarklet. Let's look at an example. We found this raw report article on a giant blue sapphire that we want to use in our paper. Let's scroll down the website. We begin by highlighting the part of the article we want to use. Next, we click on the Open in TextAid tool on the Bookmarklet. Once TextAid has opened and the article appears, navigate back to the website and copy the URL and other important citation information. Now, go back to the article and paste the URL and any other citation information on your TextAid copy of the article. Let's save the article by clicking on Save and give it the name Sapphire. Click on Save. You now have your article in TextAid, where you can use it as part of your paper's research.